I tried to change them out. So they seem to be working better than the old ones, but I'm gonna see if I can find the Mitsubishi ones, some new ones from Mitsubishi.
How much would new ones cost from Mitsubishi?
Probably $10 a piece.
It's pretty expensive.
Connectors. I don't know if they even make them no more. It doesn't pop out. That one still pops out. It's secure a little bit better. Same with that one. This one, it just pops up. See?
So are you gonna show us how to put a new one on?
Maybe. And just there's a release tab in there, so you go lift it up and push it in. That's how
You already have them in the car or what?
Yeah, well, when you change a connector, you don't necessarily have to like solder new wires in and all the stuff. You can just unpin the connector and change out the connector housing itself, which is the quickest way of doing it. See, side to side, wire. This connector just breaks.
Did you just break that one?
Mm-hmm.
Did you need it?
No, there's that one.
Well, that's good. There's freaking mosquitoes out here, man.
And then just and it fits nice and tight. That one fits nice and tight. That one fits nice and tight. That one. Before you could do that and they hold it like that because they weren't locking in place.
So now they're all snug and tight in there, getting nice connections.
Yeah, it should be nice and tight.
All right. The job is complete.
Yep.